Hi guys, in today's video I'm tackling a jungle in the back garden just from my mate's mum. So it's quite untraditional the way we do it. We don't usually put a strimmer on grass like this. We just go around looking for stones underneath it or big rocks, and then we'll just put the mower on the highest setting and give it a little bit of a wheelie and use it as a strimmer. And yeah, it just does the job much faster. We're in and out so quick as opposed to strimming it all down and checking all the corners. Just put it on a wheelie, and then while we're putting it down, if we do feel any sort of rocks or anything, we'll just move it away and just move it out of the way, and then we do strimming at the end. And yeah, a little transformation. It's not the best job. It's always relative to how much time we've got, or some days how much we're being paid, etc. But yeah, it's a nice little transformation. 2-minute clip. Enjoy.